With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, our today's question is if P is the momentum of fastest electron ejected from the metal surface after the irradiation of light having wavelength lambda, then for 1.5 p momentum of the photoelectron, the wavelength of light should be 4 by a lambda. What is the numerical value of A? Assume kinetic energy of ejected photoelectron to be very high in comparison to work function. So let's start to solve this question. So we have given the lambda is the wavelength of light that falls and momentum as p. So momentum as p. We know p equal to mv, mass into velocity. So kinetic energy equal to half mv square, or this can also be written as p square upon 2m. Now the question is saying that lambda falls on the metal plate and the electron comes out with some momentum p. So the energy falls on the plate, that will be equal to hc by lambda, that equals to work function, that is phi naught, plus some kinetic energy, and that will be given by p square by 2m, as p is the momentum. So p square upon 2m. Now the question is saying that assume kinetic energy of ejected photoelectron to be very high. What does this mean? This means that p square upon 2m is much greater than phi naught. So we can neglect the term phi naught, or we can write that hc by lambda, that equals to p square upon 2m. So this we have to keep in mind for the further use. Now the question is asking that for 1.5 p momentum of photoelectron, what is the value of lambda? So p dash will be 1.5 p. Let us assume that lambda dash equals to, that means new lambda, that equals to lambda dash. So new lambda equals to new lambda dash. So if we write the expression, so hc upon lambda dash, and that must be equal to 1.5 p square upon 2m, or we can write this as 2.25 p square upon 2m. Now we have this relation hc by lambda, p square upon 2m equal to hc by lambda. So we'll be putting the value of p square upon 2m by hc by lambda. So we have hc by lambda dash equals to 2.25 hc by lambda. So now we can cancel the term hc from both the side, and we can write lambda dash equal to lambda upon 2.25. Now the question is saying that wavelength of light should be 4 by a lambda. So the lambda dash that we have calculated is equal to 4 by a lambda. So lambda upon 2.25 equals to 4 by a lambda, and we have to find the value of a. So this lambda term will be cancelled out, and a will be equals to 4 into 2.25, and that comes out to be 9. So the value of a is 9. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching the video.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.